Question 1. In 5x squared minus 3y plus 7, the coefficient of x squared is the number in front of a letter term is called the coefficient of that term. The number in front of x squared in this case is 5. So we can say that the coefficient of x squared is 5. Question 2. In 5x plus 7 minus 2y, there are how many terms? In algebra, a term is any combination of numbers and or letters. In this expression we have a term 5x, a second term of plus 7, and a third term of minus 2y. So there are 3 terms in that expression. Question 3. In 2a, 4b, 5a, c, and 7, the like terms are like terms have the same letter and power. If you look at that list, we have 2a and 5a that have the same letter and power. The rest of them do not. So our final answer, the like terms are 2a and 5a. Question 4. Simplify 3x plus 5x. We add the front numbers together to make 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. And we keep the letter the same when we're adding algebra terms. So our final answer is 8x. Question 5. Simplify 12m minus 3m. We subtract the front numbers, so 12 minus 3 is 9, and we keep the letter the same, so we end up with 9m. Question 6. Simplify 4 times m. Numbers and letters that are multiplying can be written beside each other, so 4 times m can be written more simply as 4m. Question 7. Simplify 2x plus 3 plus 4x plus 5. You can only add and subtract like terms. Like terms in algebra are any terms with the same letter and power. In this expression, the terms with the same letter and power are the 2x and the 4x. So we can add those two together to make 6x, and we can add the normal numbers together. 3 plus 5 is 8. So we get 6x plus 8. Question 8. Collect like terms to simplify 5a plus 2b plus 3a. You can only add and subtract like terms. Like terms in algebra are any terms with the same letter and power. I think you can see that the letters that are the same there are the A's. So 5a and 3a are terms with the same letter and power. So we can combine them. 5a plus 3a makes 8a. And we just have to list the 2b separately because it's not a like term with the other two. So our final answer is 8a plus 2b. Question 9. Collect like terms to simplify 5m plus 3n minus 2m plus 4n. You can only add and subtract like terms, and like terms in algebra are any terms with the same letter and power. We have two pairs of like terms here. We have 5m and minus 2m, and we have 3n and 4n that we can combine. So we'll combine the 5m and the minus 2m carefully, and we'll get 3m when we subtract those. And we can add together the n terms. 3n plus 4n makes 7n. So in the end we get 3m plus 7n. Question 10. Simplify by collecting like terms 3a squared plus 6a plus 4a squared minus 8. You can only add and subtract like terms, and we know that like terms in algebra are the terms with the same letter and power. The terms here that have the same letter and power are the a squared terms. We have 3a squared and 4a squared. We can join those two together, but we must keep the other two terms, the 6a and the minus 8, separate. So when we have 3a squared plus 4a squared, we'll get 7a squared. And then we just list the plus 6a and the minus 8 afterwards. So our final answer is 7a squared plus 6a minus 8.